Merry Christmas, Oliver. You're probably wondering what your cameraman is doing in front of the camera. I just wanted to let you know how much I appreciate you for allowing me to create cool things like this. $40 million is no easy feat, and we have the best team with the best leader running the show. I have a few other people that want to say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Oliver.
Merry Christmas, Oliver.
Merry Christmas, Oliver. Thanks for the internship.
Merry Christmas, Oliver. Feliz Navidad. Thank you for hiring me.
Merry Christmas, Oliver. Thank you for hiring me. I really love working here.
Hey boss, I'm right here. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year.
Hey Oliver, Merry Christmas. Hope you have an awesome New Year.
Looking forward to crush it in 2024. Woo!
Merry Christmas, Oliver. I got shit to do.
Hey, Merry Christmas, Oliver. 2022 was our best year ever. What?
What is 2023?
I know we're in 2023.
Oh!
Merry Christmas, Oliver. 2022 was our best year ever, and 2023 we're on track to get real close, so we're doing really well. Merry Christmas to you and all your family. Congratulations on the growth.
Oliver, it's been a wonderful year watching all the add-ons to the company. I'm grateful to work for you. I wish you and your family a Merry Christmas.
Hey Oliver, appreciate everything you've done for me and my family. Have a very, very Merry Christmas.
Heyo, Ryan and I here. We want to take this opportunity to thank you so much for providing this absolutely killer environment for us to work in for all these years.
Merry Christmas, Oliver. Thank you for another great year. It's awesome to work here.
We really hope we've been impactful to you and your business, but most importantly, you've become a real friend and a mentor. And I just, from the bottom of my heart, man, from my family to yours, I just want to say Merry Christmas to you and yours.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, O. Appreciate everything you do for us.
Merry Christmas, Oliver. Another great year in the books. I am grateful every single day that I get to work and learn with you.
Merry Christmas, Dad. Thank you for employing me. It's such a pleasure to work with you and work for you, and excited for the years to come.
Merry Christmas, Dad. Wow, what a year, what a ride. You know, 40 million just a couple years ago seemed like a dream, and here we are. Couldn't have done it without your leadership, your enthusiasm, your great ideas, and your hard work. Couldn't do it without you. Merry Christmas.